Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to create realistic reflection of your architectural renders in Photoshop. So, we have this Lumion software. In this software, you have to find the card and then click on that wetness card. So, it will create some sort of rainy effect and reflection that you have to add in your renders like that. I hope you will get the idea, but if you don't have a high-end PC, so it will create some problem. Let's open the Photoshop and we have that sample render. We have to create some nice reflection here of this building. First of all, what we're gonna do, Control J, like duplicate this layer and name it as a reflection, some sort of whatever you want to say that. Control T and flip vertical and just reduce the opacity that you have to find the exact area you want to reflect in, and then but this method will be only apply on the those buildings which is like in front of you. But if you, as you can see in this building, you will see a lot of perspective lines, like this line is going like that, so this simple method will not work in this image. So first of all, we have to get a clipping mask, like from that area, and then just Control I and slowly take a brush and add some reflection where you want to add a reflection, so it will be created like that. We will not gonna do this because if we do that, so the perspective will not match to that building. That's why in some cases it won't work, but for the straight building it will be work perfectly. So let's delete this and we gonna take Control J of this layer, save one. So first of all, we have to take a polygon lasso tool and then press here and just take a selection of those areas where you can see the perspective. In that case, everyone will be different, so we just roughly select this area and take a copy of that selection particularly, and Control T and just press flip vertical. It will be so as you can see that perspective is not matching with that building. What we will do for this, just press OK, zoom in, just have a clear idea of that. Okay, Control T and just distort, select that, and then just match a little bit of this building like that. Okay, now reduce the opacity and okay, we will go for clipping mask and Control I will be disappear and select the B, and remember that we are on a black layer. So when we slowly as you can see the flow of that brush is very low, we have to make a little bit higher, something like that. I hope you will get the idea. The area you don't want, just press X, so it will be starting removing that reflection. Okay, I think this will be enough for that particular area. Uh, okay, select the another one and again lasso tool, select. Now it's also doesn't match with that perspective, so what we will do, we just dissolve, just match. For realism you have to add a motion blur in that case. So we will select the image layer and just to filter blur motion blur. I think 3 pixel will be enough. So now we have to add another effect to make it more real. This reflection, so just click on that effects and it curves and just reduce the opacity a little bit black and just on upper side like that. Okay, control I. So we will just paint on the edge of that reflection, the side of. So now we have all layers merged into one. So now this is our final image, how it's look like. Just look at the before and after.